I am completely shattered and deeply saddened to know about the passing away of a very, very dear friend and colleague and drama school junior, Irfan Khan. It's not only the loss of the Hindi film industry, or it's a loss of the country and international entertainment world. He was an amazing actor, that goes without saying, but he was a wonderful human being also, very straightforward, with a great sense of humor, compassionate. It's so frightening and awful to talk about him in past tense. It's I don't know. I I feel that it's too soon. It's too soon. 53 is no age. In fact, in today's time, no age is. We are already struggling with this pandemic, and we are trying to hold back our depression, our sadness. We are struggling, and then for this news to come is 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 very, very sad, very sad. My heart goes out to his wife and his child, and it will take us many, many years to register that he's not among us. It will take us many, many moments of some kind of. I just want to pray for his departed soul. I just feel it's sometimes the words are so insufficient to express shock and grief. And I will miss him, the world will miss him, and my Om Shanti, and may God rest his soul in peace. Irfan, this is not the way to deal with us. I
It's time to extend our prayers for Irfan ji also.
I know. बस I've worked with him. मैं बहुत डिस्टर्ब हुई थी खबर सुन के, बट मेरा ये मानना है कि फेथ कभी लूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. तो आई रियली हैव फेथ. मैंने फेथ को छोड़ा नहीं है. आई थिंक ही विल कम आउट ऑफ इट. ही इज़ अ वॉरियर एंड आई थिंक ही विल फाइट इट. या
As film is doing good and probably you will be starting in 22. You were supposed to start with a film with Mr. Irfan. Is it time for us to pray for him and wish him the best in these conditions?
I think we should always pray for people and good health, you know. So if his health is not the best at this point, I think it is important for all of us to pray, not just for him, but I think for people who I think every day, in fact that's a small little prayer I say for myself and for everyone around me. I say this. I always believe that there's nothing more important than peace of mind and being healthy. And yes, I think the last couple of weeks have been emotionally challenging. But yeah, I think we all should say a little prayer.
You have worked with so much, like very memorable films. How do you feel as an actor for it? Like how as an actor about his work?
He is someone I absolutely love, not just as an actor but as a person. I've had, I think, one of my most special I would say experiences as an actor with him. Piku will be my all-time favorite and special films, and I think he has a large part to play in that. And but that's it. I mean, I honestly do not know. I do not know where he is. I do not know what has happened. And I think, like he has requested, I think there are times when people just need to be left alone for some time and figure their lives out. And I think we should respect that space that they have all requested for. But like we said, hope for the best and say a little prayer.
Thank Thank you so
Thank
very
you.
much. Have a pleasant evening.
Thank you.
Is it also time to extend our prayers for Irfan ji?
No, he'll be fine. He'll be fine. I'm positive he'll be fine.
Today also he posted another post about his health.
Oh, I'm not aware. I'm not aware of that. But see, I believe in God and I believe in healing and I believe that he'll be fine. That is my belief.
Amen to that.
Thank you.
At the same time, we should be extend our support and prayers for Irfan also, Irfan ji.
जी मुझे हाल ही में वो पता लगा एंड मतलब आई रियली फील कि वो हेल्दी स्टेट में जल्दी वापस आए एंड आई रियली प्रे फॉर हिम एंड हिज फैमिली एक्चुअली
Before you leave, what is the most important and crucial and which makes him different part of his acting and his persona?
इरफान सर I think overall he's perfect. I mean he's perfect in everything. I mean in terms of acting, if you see, he's one of the topmost rated actor in our country, and I really pray for him and his family, and I really want to see him healthy.
Thank you so very much.
Thank
See
you.
tomorrow.
So there are the news that Irfan Khan is not well or something. You want to say something about him, something like that.
You said it, and what else do I say on that?
Any wishes or something.
Any wishes to him? I'll make personal wishes to him, and what he said, I'm not exactly clear about the details. We've not heard it from his own words or his own mouth, but it's extremely sad, and we're hoping he recovers and has a party better time with this, whatever he's going through.
इरफान खान की तबीयत बहुत खराब है तो उनके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
मुझे
क्या
तो
मैसेज देना
मैं
चाहिए?
बिल्कुल मैं थोड़ी न्यूज़पेपर वाली या फिर इंटरनेट वाली नहीं हूँ। मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे अपने फ़ोटो डालती रहती हूँ। सो हर्ष बहुत ज़्यादा पेपर वेपर न्यूज़ बहुत पढ़ते हैं, तो हर्ष ने मुझे बताया। सो ये बहुत मतलब दुख की बात है, इतने अच्छे सीनियर एक्टर हैं
बट
वो।
इज़ अ फाइटर, वो डेफिनेटली वो रिकवर कर लेंगे, क्योंकि
बिल्कुल,
क्या है
बिल्कुल।
साइंस इतना आगे बढ़ चुका है और एक कलाकार कभी दुखी नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज उसने इतने टाइम तक वर्ल्ड को एंटरटेन किया है। तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि उन्हें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होगी। विल बी बैक इन नेक्स्ट बहुत
बस
जल्दी।
और बहुत जल्दी हम उनकी बहुत सारी फिल्में देखेंगे। इरफान जी आप जल्दी ठीक हो जाओ और मुझे अपने साथ अपनी फिल्म में लो।
I started getting.
Even me too.
You too? I started getting happy with simple
I felt
things.
like kid, yeah.
Okay, Sujit sir,
We take two
मेरा
last
last
questions,
सवाल है।
right?
Sujit sir, एक
Two
one
more
last
questions,
question, please.
Yeah.
इसके बाद बस।
Ma'am, one at a time, please. देखिए, आई थिंक इरफान खान ने ऑलरेडी एक प्रेस स्टेटमेंट दिया है कि उन्होंने कहा भी है कि आप लोग प्लीज़ इसको स्पेकुलेट ना करें इस चीज़ को। एंड आई थिंक हमको एक इतने बड़े एक्टर जो आई थिंक ही इज़ द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इज़ द ओनली एक्टर हु इज़ एन एक्चुअली कॉल्ड एन हॉलीवुड स्टार इन आवर कंट्री, जिन्होंने सबसे टॉप ऑफ द लाइन डायरेक्टर के साथ काम किया है। सो मैं उनसे मिल चुका हूँ, 2-3 बार ही मिल चुका हूँ मैं, और वो फिर से एक और स्टेटमेंट देंगे आपको। आप सबको जो आप लोगों को सवाल जाना है वो अपने आप जवाब देंगे। वो भी बहुत ही एक अच्छे इंसान हैं, वो मैं उनके बहुत करीब हूँ। सो आप बिल्कुल चिंता ना करें, ही इज़ फाइन नाउ एंड ही विल इशू पब्लिक स्टेटमेंट अगेन, एंड उससे आपको सब मालूम चलेगा। आप प्लीज़, मैं हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ, स्पेकुलेट ना करें।
आई रियली होप कि वो जल्दी ठीक हो जाए, बिकॉज मुझे भी अभी पता लगा कि उनकी तबीयत ख़राब है, और आई जस्ट वॉन्ट हिम टू बी ओके। वो पूरे इंडिया की धड़कन है वो, और हम सब लोग उनके लिए प्रे कर रहे हैं। आज हम लोग सेट पे भी उन्हीं के बारे में बात कर रहे थे। हम यही चाहते हैं कि जल्द से जल्द वो हेल एंड हार्टी हो जाए और बेहतरीन से बेहतरीन उनके काम हमें नज़र आए। वी जस्ट वॉन्ट हिम टू बी ओके।
Yeah. I really wish him a speedy recovery because he's a fantastic actor, and I hope जो भी खबर हमें मिली है वो झूठी हो, and You know, if not, I'm really hoping and praying that he just recovers very, very soon.
Yeah, my thoughts on the bad news that is coming back to back on Bollywood is that they are bad news यार. वो कोई भी बुरी खबर ना किसी को बता के तो आती नहीं है. चाहे वो श्री मैम की डेथ हो, चाहे वो इरफान सर की क्या तबीयत खराब है. We don't have to know that. That's bad enough to know the fact that he's not well. Shami aunty just passed away. So I think lot of things are happening at the same time. So हमें बुरा लग रहा है, पर I'm sure बुरी चीज़ें हर इंडस्ट्री में होती हैं. बहुत सारे लोग हमें छोड़ के जाते हैं, तो obviously it is extremely terrible. I was so shocked because आप believe नहीं करोगे, मुझे मालूम नहीं था शम्मी कपूर has passed away because we were inside the house and no one kind of told me that he's passed away. And there's so many memories attached to Shammi uncle because I have been a Prithvi boy since I've been in Bombay. So for me it was so shocking because I was watching Oscars and I suddenly saw Shri ma'am and then I saw Shami sir thing there and I was like shit, because it was so shocking that people actually forgot to tell me that while I was not here and I was inside the house, Shami Kapoor passed away. So I think there's so much that is happening that we do not get to know, and so many bad news are happening, but along with that there's good also. So good and bad will always be balanced. We can only pray that the people who have left us are resting in peace and people who they have left behind are strong enough to take it.